Hi, welcome back to OD YouTube channel. My name is Paul and I'm here for another unboxing video. Today I'm opening a package that I received from Fontoplumo. So let's open this. I don't think I will need a knife for this one. Fontoplumo is one of the stores that I like, and I bought two items from them. And there is an additional card here. Okay, so we have this card that shows Fontoplumo, and also this that says for your next plume, for your next pen, fontoplumo.nl. So this is a store in the Netherlands, and I bought a pen and I bought an ink. So let's take a look at this. Let's start with ink. We'll open this little Ziploc bag, which is nice to avoid stupid leakages. And I bought this Writer's Blood. This is an ink that I heard a lot about it, and a lot from my friend Luis, that is also into fountain pens and inks, and he says this is a beautiful color. I bought it. I'm kind of interested to know how it will look compared with Oxblood or Ancient Copper. I don't even know if this is the same. Believe me or not, I heard a lot of it. I never looked for an image of a swatch online, so I don't really know what to expect. For what I see there, it's more like a burgundy than a red, a deep red. I'm not sure. I bought it anyway. He told me nice things about it, so I'll try it. Of course, officially, I'm trying to reduce my number of inks, and maybe I'm not on the right track, but at least it is a small 30 milliliters ink bottle. So let's see how it compares. Maybe you already know and you'll say, oh, it doesn't make any sense because it has nothing to do with it, or it's the same or something, because maybe you know. I don't really know. The other item I purchased was this pen, and the pen, as you may see, it is a Lamy pen. And we have the package, we have the ink cartridge, and we have the pen. And this pen is the Lamy Aion. And you'll see it is Lamy Aion red with a medium nib. It's not my favorite kind of nib. I prefer fine, but that's fine. And I had to buy it. It was not available online anywhere else. It's kind of sad that for the price it doesn't come with a converter, but that's not a problem with the store. That's how they are distributed here in Europe. I guess I heard in the United States they come with a converter. Here in Europe they don't. This is a pen that some people like or love, some people don't. It has a feature that annoys a lot of people, is that when it is kept, the cap rotates kind of freely. Although it is well stuck, it rotates and it doesn't dry, but that's it. And some people don't enjoy that thing. It is a red pen. I'm usually not a big fan of red pens, but if you saw my video that was called one of each please, I think it's how I called it, I told you that the Aion was a model that I would love to have all of them, and it is kind of possible because there are only 5 finishes so far. I'm not sure if they are going to do anyone anymore. There have been some changes in Lamy. I'm not sure this line is to be continued. I hope so. More colors. that will mean that I will have to spend more money, but I really love to see more of these. In my opinion, this pen with this kind of design, with this kind of shape, really, to me, this reminds me of a cross between the Lamy 2000, which has this shape that you already know very well. You can see some similarities on the clip, but this one is more rounded. This one is kind of a bigger pen. It is a cartridge converter pen, but there is some detail on the design that I also like. You can see this beveled part there. It's there again. I really think this is a beautiful pen made of aluminium. So I would say this is a cross between the Lamy 2000 with this nib that has nothing to do with this one, except kind of the overall shape until there, then it stops, and the Lamy CP1. And in Lamy CP1 you also see that it has this kind of nib. It doesn't have the same kind of section, and I would say that the nib from these, although it is slightly different, and the overall shape of the 2000, to me, this design makes sense. Actually, let me show it next to the black that I already had. So, to me, this makes sense as a cross between these two previous models. And I really like this design. I think they did a great thing of making a brand new design that has some new parts as the new nib, which is different from the nibs they had before. So this is the Lamy Aion in black. They already had the Lamy Aion in red that I bought right now, and the Lamy Aion in dark green. So, am I expecting anything different? No, except the nib size, which is different. This is an M, the other two are Fs. I will not be writing with all of them at the same time. It's something that I will maybe exchange sometimes. I don't use the same pen. Usually, I don't use the same pen for a very long time in a row because I have too many pens, so I rotate them a lot. But this will be fun. The M nib, maybe I will not use that much, but even if I want, I can exchange the nib with one another and have them nicely put to my use. So this is what I got from Fontoplumo. Fontoplumo, they are a store that helped my channel a lot in the beginning, and also with lots of information on Kaweco, sport pens that I collect, and they made several Kaweco sport exclusive editions that I enjoyed, and they always gave them to me so I could review and to keep to my collection. So they are a really nice store, and they have a branch on their store which is Fontoplumo, but then on Fontoplumo you can find another tab that says I need a pen, and on that tab I need a pen they sometimes have some used pens or some pens kind of new old stock that they can buy somewhere else, and they have one piece or two pieces to sell. That's what happened with these Lamy Aion in red. They had, okay, we have a unit to sell, and I went there and bought it because I just need it, and I thought I couldn't buy a pen without bringing a bottle of ink, which is stupid on my side, I know, but I couldn't resist. So this is the metal pen that I really like, a pen that posts well, that is, I don't like it posted because it's too long, but I really think this is a very, very nice pen, and I want to have them all. So this is it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you'll come back for more, and I hope I will have more videos soon. So see you next time. Bye.